Hi guys, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library again, and today we have a really nice craft for you. We are going to have August 6th and 7th a Con here at the library, and so this is the craft that goes with it. It's a Koala Craft, and everything you need will be in this packet that you'll get from the curbside or in here at the children's library. And so you have a plate, and I cut my two eyes out, and then here's two ears, here's a nose, and there's the mouth, here's the cheek, and here's the ear. When you get finished, it's going to look like this. So first things first, what you should do first is put your eyes wherever you want your eyes. Now I'm going to use, to save some time, I'm using some double-sided tape, okay? And I'm going to put a piece of double-sided tape here, okay? And that eye is going there. Let me see if I can do mine upside down so you can see it better. And then I have another piece of double-sided tape. You should probably use a glue stick or glue, and that goes there, okay? The next thing we have is a plain piece like this, and it's going to go here, all right? Alrighty, like this, okay? Now what's missing? Well, what's missing is his nose. So we're going to put his nose on next, and it's here, and that goes right there. Now, does that look like a koala? It does, but we need to make this koala a little fancier. So the next thing we're going to do is we have two ears, okay? And we're going to put an ear on each side, okay? Let's see, I'm just going to put that like right there. And I'm using tape. You can use tape, or you can use your glue stick. Can use Elmer's glue. But this is just how this is working out. And this is not going to take long. Oh, there's this other ear. It's looking cute. How you like it? Okay, now, what would we like to do? Well, we want to fancy him up a little bit. So we're going to make that ear like that. And we'll take another little piece of tape and make this ear kind of like, I'm sticking mine underneath a little, like that. And then, last but not least, our little koala needs some rosy cheeks, okay? Now this is easy to do. It shouldn't take you too long. And like I said, this is your koala. Now, when you get this finished, you can hang it up anywhere you want, and it's really going to be cute. But you got to keep your skills sharp. So this is what we included. This is all about koalas, what kind of animals they are, what they eat, where they live, what they like to do. So read this, keep your skills up, reading skills. And then on the back, we have a Koala Crossword, okay? So you can get some of the answers from the front and put them in the back, because you can get clues to your crossword puzzle. So this is the craft for the week. I hope you love it. I hope you have fun with it. And please come into the library. We are open now, and we would love to see you. Bye, guys.